Afternoon, my friends. Walter here, tinkering in the basement today. I've been working on my rifle and I built plenty of character into it. Threw a coat of stain on it even though it's not finished or anything. I just ran over it with an angle grinder sander a little bit. But I'll show you what I've done so far. On this part here, these here, not even the same size. This has a bark edge, but it just adds more character to it. This is where my clamp is going to go. And this pocket here not only helps support the vertical portions, gives you a place to put your ammunition, your scope, your cleaning rag, screwdrivers, whatever you're working with on your gun if your gun is sitting on the stand. Now this stand can be either sitting on a bench or for standing. I've designed it longer where I could stand up and shoot. Who the hell's got the energy to get down in the prone position? I don't. This oak is good strong wood, and I didn't do any finished carpentry work. I just throwed this thing together. I think it came out pretty nice. And what I want to do, I've got this big piece of leather. It's been under my workbench here for, I know, 20 years. I don't even remember where I got it. Somebody was making a pocketbook or something. It says William D. Blocker. Anyway, William has contributed some old leather. Thought I'd cut some strips, put it on my notches and glue it down. Maybe put some tacks around there. That'll look real good on there. On this end, I need to design. I've been looking all over the workbench for something to adjust up and down. I had a pit, and I'll come up with something. And I'd like to make this end slide up and down to raise and lower the gun to give me some adjustment. Now, I thought about bolts and screws, but it doesn't have to be that complicated. I could put a cross piece right here and use two of my wedges to slide in there and make that slide up and down. In fact, that would probably make a quicker adjustment. And I can pad this here with leather for, I'll just lay the rifle on here for cleaning. Make my adjusting shelf where it'll go below there. Adjust that shelf up and down. I don't need much of a change in the gun to change the shooting angle towards the target. And if you think I don't know what I'm talking about, I don't. You're right on the money, my friend. I'll tell you one thing about this rifle wrist. It's got character. Here's where that knot hole busted out. And it's solid as a rock. Now the piece that I put on this end, you see, if I build it where it'll cradle the gun better, I don't need much of a change here to line up on any target that's out in front of me somewhere. I'm not going to be shooting up the moon or down at the ground. Not that much adjustment is all I need. And I'm open for suggestions. I've looked all into this workbench for some type of arrangement. I've got this thing. I can build a cradle sort of like a slingshot. That's probably what I'll do. For my piece of leather that I want to put along here. I've measured out roughly, I need about 12 inches, so I need to cut a piece out of here 12 inches by 2 inches wide. I'm going to put contact cement and glue the leather in there and bend it over the edge, and if this wood ain't too hard, drive some tacks in there and make it look nice. That's what I'm going, the next thing I'm going to work on, cutting me out some leather with my. Well, this might turn into a dismal flop. I got my contact cement stuck on there. Got this piece of leather trimmed. Still a little tacky. Let me get just a little drier. Better wait a minute. Alright, I'm going to let it dry a little while before I try to trim it and bend it over. Let it dry for a couple hours. Take about